Hey, what's up? It's Candace and Vinny. Welcome to another edition of Free Advice Friday. So this week I am super confused that I even have to make this statement, but at this point in time I feel like it's a little bit necessary. Tide Pods go in the washing machine, not in your mouth. Apparently the Tide Pod Challenge is a thing, and the youth of today have taken to grabbing these soft, squishy, smell-goody things and biting into them. Blech. No thank you. Seriously, there's a big warning on this package that says, warning, harmful if put in mouth or swallowed. Why would you stick that in your mouth? It's not going to get you high. You're going to get sick and die.
That's been another edition of Free Advice Friday. Tune in next week for more.
What are you doing?
It smells good. I forgot cologne today. Here, you try to open it now.
Looks easy.
Adult lock too.
Dude, how are these kids even opening this to put it in their mouth? Wait, did I just push down? I think I broke it.
I mean, scissors will, I'm sure kids can get their hands on those.
Wait. How does it work?